classroom as a dance teacher, as an educator, as she was awarded Teacher of the Year for all of Oklahoma City Public Schools. Can we give her a huge round of applause? Now, for that American Fidelity, we want to say thank you in a small way, to say thank you for what you do in a big way in support of Oklahoma education. We have this prize back. Comes complete with a plaque and a gift card to help you purchase classroom supplies. Let's hear it one more time from Miss Vasquez. And one of her former students said what makes her a great teacher is she sees your potential, she sees your greatness before you do. So thank you so much. To learn more about Erica, go to OKCThunder.com. All right, fans, we're going to toss things up to section 118, 119 with some more very special guests.